ratio of ages. Paul is 14 years old. His sister is exactly 6 years younger, so this year she is 8 years old. This year the ratio of Paul's age to his sister's age is 14 to 8. 14 to 8, written as simply as possible, is 7 to 4. Part A. When Paul is 21, what will the ratio of Paul's age be to his sister's age? Write the ratio as simply as possible. Question B. When his sister is 36, what will the ratio of Paul's age be to his sister's age? Write the ratio as simply as possible. And part C. Could the ratio of their ages ever be 7 to 7? Tick yes or no and explain how you know how. Best of luck. Time is up, so let's have a look and see how you could have got some answers for these problems. So we'll start off by looking at part A, and we know that Paul is 21. So Paul in part A is 21. And we know that his sister from the first part is 6 years younger. So his sister, that I'm going to just write as S, is 6 less. So if I take away 6. So 21 take away 6 is 15. Okay, so I've got a ratio there of 21 to 15. So it asks me to write the ratio as simply as possible. So I need to look at 21 and 15 and see what can I divide both of these numbers by. Well, they are both multiples of 3, so I can divide the whole thing by 3. 21 divided by 3, well there's 7 3's will go into 21. And 15 divided by 3, 5 3's will go into 15. So the simplest ratio is 7 to 5. Because those two cannot be divided any further. In B, we're told that sister's age is 36. So we're going to go the other way this time. So instead of taking away 6, we're going to have to add 6 to find Paul's age. So if sister's 36, we're going to add 6 on. Paul must be 42. Okay, so we've now got a ratio of 42 to 36. And again, I'm going to look and see what can I divide these by. I can divide them by, well, they're both multiples of 6. So I'm going to divide by 6. So 6's into 42 go 7 times exactly. 6's into 36 go 6 times exactly. I can't simplify them any further, there's nothing they're both multiples of, there's no common multiple, so I'm going to go 7/6 is my answer. Could the ratio of their ages ever be 7 and 7? Well, the answer is no, and the reason is because the ratio can't be equal because that would mean that they were the same age. If their ratios were the same, they'd have to be the same age, and we know that that 6-year gap is going to remain all the way through, so there's no way that their ratio could be the same. Well done if you explained that.